In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a form in Jotform. If you've ever cleaned up your workspace and wondered how to remove old or unused forms, this short guide will walk you through it clearly and safely. The key thing to remember is that Jotform treats deletion as a two-step process. First, you move a form to the trash, and only then, if needed later, it can be permanently removed. That means you have a safety net. Start by heading to the My Forms page in your Jotform account. This is the main dashboard that lists all the forms you've created or manage. Take a moment to confirm you're looking at the right form by checking its title and any identifying details you use. It's a good habit to be certain before you remove something, especially if others rely on it or if it contains responses you care about. If the form is still actively receiving submissions or embedded somewhere, keep in mind that moving it to the trash will take it out of active use. Next, move your mouse over the form you want to delete. When you hover over the row, additional options appear so you can take actions on that specific form. On the right side, you'll see the More menu. Depending on your screen size, this might appear as the word More or as a three-dot icon. Either way, it opens the same set of options. Click More to open the menu and then choose Move to Trash. You might see a quick confirmation prompt. Go ahead and confirm if you're sure. This doesn't permanently erase the form. It simply moves it out of your active list and into the trash area. Think of it as archiving with the option to change your mind. At this point, the form will be in the trash folder, not permanently deleted yet. While it's in trash, it's effectively disabled and won't function like an active form. If you realize you moved the wrong form, you still have the option to bring it back later from trash. If your goal is simply to tidy up your dashboard or prevent new responses while you decide what to do, this step gives you a safe pause. If you're working in a team or sharing links, it can be helpful to let collaborators know the form is no longer active. And that's it. Open My Forms, hover over the form, click More, select Move to Trash, and the form is safely out of your active list without being permanently erased. Thanks for watching, and now you know the safest way to delete a form in Jotform.